Monkey in the middle.
Should we make sure he doesn't hit his head on the table?
He's not gonna cry unless you make it a big deal.
He's getting caught in the table. Come here. Say hi, Fishy. Machi Fishy. Angela just got scared.
He doesn't want to know yet.
You can't get him.
Other side. Angela, stop.
Go. Look. No.
It's like, hey.
Just throw him over
Okay.
there. Throw him over there. Not throw
Not
him.
gonna chum chum.
No.
He doesn't know he's over there. He's right there.
That's all.
In the
Yeah.
corner.
Oh boy.
You got it me, huh?
It was open. His shirt's wet. Xander, the kid's right by you.
Yeah, he's busy.
Cleaning the table for Otto.
What about his?
Otto!
Hij is gewoon like aan de lach.